I'm going to give ChatGPT one prompt and ask it to create an entire email marketing campaign for my Shopify brand. And here is the prompt I'm going to use it. Basically, I'm precising the topic and I'm asking it to create the email marketing campaign. And it's done. And I don't mean that ChatGPT only wrote the email copy. No, it created the actual campaign inside my Omnisend account, it prepared the subject line, created the email content, targeted my subscribers, and saved the campaign as draft, ready for me to review. All I needed was one prompt and the email was saved and ready to go inside my Omnisend account. We've all been using ChatGPT to write emails for a while now, but up until recently, this is where the work stopped. We would give ChatGPT an idea, it would write the email for us, we will then need to open our email marketing platform, copy the content, prepare the email, define the audience, then send it. Well, now ChatGPT can do much more. And honestly, I was surprised by how quickly it created the email and how closely it followed my instructions. And all of this was possible because of the new connector between ChatGPT and Omnisend. This video is in collaboration with Omnisend, and I wanted to use it to test how useful this connector can actually be for a real e-commerce business. Because yes, creating a campaign is impressive, but the connector promises much more than that. And by the way, this connector is still work if you are using Claude instead of ChatGPT. For anyone who's not familiar with it, Omnisend is an email and SMS marketing platform built specifically for e-commerce businesses. You can use it to send campaigns, build up automations, segment your audience, and track all the revenue coming from your email marketing. What I like about Omnisend is that it is advanced without feeling clunky. It gives you all the tools that you need without spending a lot of time figuring out the platform or learning how to use it. And now with the ChatGPT connector, ChatGPT can access information from your Omnisend account and perform actions directly inside it. So let's see what else it can do. First, I want a quick overview of what's happening inside my account. So I'm going to give it the following prompt. With this prompt, I'm basically asking Omnisend for a snapshot of my full account. So instead of opening multiple reports and looking at different numbers individually, I will ask one question and I will get a full summary of my account performance. This is an old account that hasn't been running for a while. And as you can see, Omnisend returned my contact total number, my subscriber growth, and insight into my real problems. In your case, for an active account, you will receive relevant information that will give you insights about how your account is performing and how you can improve your performance. This is not necessarily something I would check every day. I might be doing this every week or every month, especially if you are someone who doesn't like to deal with numbers and prefer to talk with AI directly. It gives you very important information without the need to search for it. Now, let's say, for example, I want to know which campaigns performed the best for me last year. So this is exactly what I'm going to ask ChatGPT. So I will be using this prompt to ask ChatGPT to pull this information for me. And this is where the connector becomes very valuable. It's not only pulling the information from Omnisend, it's also analyzing them and telling me what they mean. For example, the insights here tells us that the biggest discounts drove the most revenue, but they also caused more unsubscribers, while educational and gift-based campaigns still generated strong sales without relying on heavy discounts. The main opportunity in here is improving clicks, so stronger offers, fewer links, stronger CTAs, and judging success by revenue and orders, not only by open rates. And from these results, I can start identifying patterns. Maybe a certain offer performed better. Maybe one product generated more interest. Maybe emails sent at a particular time performed better. Or perhaps a subject line performed very well while the email content failed at convincing customers to purchase or to click. ChatGPT gives me a very strong starting point, but I still need to understand the business and figure out how I can improve these numbers. Next, I will try something different. I will ask ChatGPT to analyze my automations. And I'm talking about things like welcome flow, abandoned cart flow, post-purchase flow, win-back flow, and so on. For this, I'm going to use the following prompt. And in this prompt, I'm asking ChatGPT about what automations generated the most revenue, and within these automations, which messages performed the best. This is probably one of the most useful prompts for any e-commerce brand. Looking only at the total revenue generated by an automation might be hiding what's actually happening inside of it. For example, your welcome flow might be generating a lot of sales, but when you look deeply at it, you will notice that only the first email is performing well, while the remaining emails are not generating sales at all. In my account, ChatGPT, for example, is showing me the following. It pointed out that my first welcome email is performing very well, while the others underperformed. And it showed me my weak messages and gave a list of things to fix. So now I know which specific emails I should be reviewing and improving. I can look at things like the subject line, the content, the messaging, the CTA, and much more, maybe A/B test and try to improve. This is much more useful than rewriting the full automation without really knowing where the problem is. And for me, this is a much more better use of AI than simply asking it to write an email. And from here, you can take it further and ask AI more and more questions about your automations. Maybe ask it for insights about how you can improve your emails, what you can do better, or what you can A/B test, and so on. For the next test, I want to ask ChatGPT to tell me what I need to work on. So I will be using this prompt. Basically, I'm asking it to run a health check on my account, review my campaign frequency, automation coverage, and the product catalog, and to score every area and give me the 3 most important actions that I should take next. This part, I think, is going to be very useful, especially for small business owners. Usually when you are running your business, you don't have a lack of things to do. Your problem is how to prioritize the things that you must do. With this prompt, we are asking ChatGPT to help us to prioritize the tasks so we know what we should start with. And this is going to help you to put your time into things that can actually move the wheel instead of losing your time over small, unmeaningful tasks. Let's see what ChatGPT returned for my account. So for this account, it showed me my campaign frequency and gave me useful insights into it. For example, it showed me that I did not have a consistent rhythm for sending campaigns. It also reviewed my automations and the product catalog, then gave me the 3 most important actions to take next. So after all of these tests, you might be wondering if ChatGPT can actually replace the person who is running your email marketing. Maybe it's basically you. Well, my short answer is no, and I don't think this should be the goal. I think that you should be using ChatGPT to save time and to make your work more efficient, but you still need to review the emails, make sure everything is working properly. Remember, no one knows your customers or your products as much as you know them, so you must always stay in control over your marketing. AI is very good at collecting information, at bringing them together to you in one place and analyzing them, but it's up to you to make the decisions. AI can help you to remove a lot of the manual work. And because ChatGPT connects now directly with Omnisend, this means that you don't need to download reports and upload them in order to rebuild your campaigns. You can manage everything from ChatGPT directly. And for me, this is the real value of the connector. It's not there only to help you to build more emails. It's helping you understand and manage your email marketing more efficiently using the data that already exists inside your account. If you are running a Shopify store and you are not yet building your email list or sending email campaigns, take this video as your sign to start doing so. Email marketing gives you a direct way to communicate with your customers without entirely relying on paid ads or social media. And by the way, if you are using a different email marketing platform than Omnisend and you want to migrate to Omnisend, their team can handle the full migration for all paid plans at no additional cost. They can usually handle the migration within 5 days, and you will directly save up to 35% after switching. I've linked to Omnisend below, and if you use my coupon code, you will get 30% off your plan. And you can also find the link to connect ChatGPT to Omnisend in the description below. And finally, if you want to know more about email marketing and how you can use it in order to increase your revenue and your profits, I highly recommend you to watch this video next on my YouTube channel. This is a full step-by-step email marketing course, so see you there.